In this lesson, we're going to work on a word problem, and it involves fractions, and the fractions have mixed numbers in them. Mixed numbers means whole numbers as well as fractions. So if we have a problem like this that says Sienna baked 3 5/6 trays of cupcakes for a party, then Natasha brought 1 1/6 trays of cupcakes to the party. How many trays of cupcakes were there in total? So the first step is to write the word problem into a sentence. And what you need to do is you need to figure out what needs to be done. And since we start off with a certain quantity and some is added, we know that this is an addition problem. So this is how the word problem is written into a sentence. So we started off with 3 5/6 trays of cupcakes, and then we added 1 1/6 trays of cupcakes. So now notice that the denominators are the same. Okay, so when the denominators are the same, this means we add the numerators and leave the denominators unchanged. Step 4, because this is a mixed fraction, add whole numbers to whole numbers and fractions to fractions. So we first add the whole numbers and then together, and then we add the fractions together. And so how it would look is like this. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 4 6/6. But we can't leave it like that because it's not in lowest terms. So you need to express it in lowest terms. So we know that 6 fits into 6. So we cross those out, and we know that 6 fits into 6 once, and 6 fits into 6 once as well for the denominator. So that leaves us with 4 and 1/1. 1/1 is just the same as 5. And actually, we didn't really need to reduce this. We could have realized that 6/6 is the same as 1 whole. So we have 4 plus 1 is 5. And that's the end of that. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. I have some links in the description that are related to this type of work, and it goes into some detail on how to calculate these types of problems. As well, you could follow along in the ebook. You could download it, and you can follow this exact lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. If you feel you've learned something, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. And thank you so much for listening.